So guys, we got our body kit, not a wide body, just a body kit. So the fenders arrived. They're gonna have to get sprayed in order for vinyl to stick to it. We have a spoiler, skirts, two fenders, bumper, rear bumper. So yeah, basically all this is gonna make the Z really pop and look sick. So we have to take it over to a body shop to spray it, and then we're gonna wrap it sometime next week. It's a nice box. Yeah. You know the guy on TikTok? Yeah. 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 It's gonna be a nice color. Yeah.
Very nice.
You guys gonna be crazy. This is how big my thing is.
Just slide it.
Yeah, nice.
Oh wow.
Yeah, that's gonna pop.
That's gonna be sick.
Let me get a video of it. Here is the color for the giveaway. Very nice.
Very nice.
Have you seen Borat recently?
I haven't.
It's fucking crazy. Rewatch it as an adult, it's fucked. It's so bad. This is about our tires and fitment with our body kit. So today we're going to be taking our rims and tires over to Reno's body shop because we currently have the body kit being installed on the vehicle. This is our giveaway car, our first giveaway car. So it's been, going in stages. We don't really know, how long everything's going to take. But Reno told us that he wants us to take these so he can make sure that everything fits correctly and he doesn't have to make any adjustments once we get the car delivered here. So we're going to be taking over these brand new tires and rims over to Reno. And I wanted to show you guys the unboxing, get you guys' opinion on it. We're super happy with how they came out. So let's take a look. This is the Kansai Astro. You can smell the new tire. Oh, that's gonna look sick. Okay, so yeah, these are the ones that we chose here at the warehouse. Mostly, I wanted to do bronze, but they kind of looked cheap and kind of I don't know, I just didn't love the look. So this kind of reminds me of you could put a shot of Arnold Schwarzenegger, when the white socks with white Vans or white Converse. Your car just has nice, clean, white Converse. So this is, I think, gonna really change the look, but let's go ahead and load them in the Hummer and get on our way to the body shop. All right guys, so for the fitment on these rims, we're running a staggered setup. They're 18 by 9.5 plus 22s. On the rear, we're running 18 by 10.5 plus 12. Now for the wheels, we're actually gonna be doing Nitto NT 555 G2s, 255, 35 ZR18s on the front. On the rear, we're running Nitto NT 555 G2 275, 35 ZR18 tires. Now I hope this helps you guys when you guys are shopping for tires, but we still have to make sure everything fits with our body kit. So let's take it to the body shop.
Hi, this is Reno from Reno's Garage. We're located here in Lodi, right down the street from RP Films. We got the pleasure to work on this 350Z with RP Films. This is their giveaway car that we get to play with a little bit. They brought in an aftermarket body kit. It's all made out of fiberglass. Front bumper, fenders, side skirts, rear bumper, and spoiler. To get this thing to fit on this car like it has, we had to trim some of the fiberglass right here around the headlight. The bumper also, we just got the new wheels in so we can fit everything, make sure that nothing's gonna rub when they give it away to you guys. The fenders, we had to cut, we made most of our cuts behind the fender so that from the outside, we got it as close as we could to an OEM finish, fitment, I mean. After this, we'll do body work on them like we are on that spoiler, primer it, and give it a good surface finish so that RP Films can do the wrap on it and get this thing looking good.